know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays, I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add warm depth to your photos. This is how the final result will look like, but before I can show you my editing process, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to click on that subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the latest notifications whenever I upload a video. Now before further ado, let's jump into the video. First, import your image in Adobe Lightroom, then in the right hand section change the temperature to +7, change tint to +10, increase the exposure to +0.10, change the contrast to +45, change the highlights to -38, increase the shadows to +100, increase the whites to +30, increase the blacks to +40, decrease the texture to -15, increase the clarity to +20, decrease the details to -20, increase the vibrance to +50, increase the saturation to +1. In the tone curve section, edit the tone curve as shown in the video. In the hue section, change the red to -30, change the orange to -5, change the yellow to -20, change the green to -69, keep the rest as it is. In the saturation section, increase the red to +30, increase the orange to +15, increase the yellow to +30, increase the green to +10, keep the rest as it is. In the luminance section, increased red to +10, increase the orange to +20, increase the yellow to +10, keep the rest as it is. In the split toning section, increase the highlight hues to 35, increase the saturation to 11, for the shadows increase the hue to 249 and the saturation to 15. In the noise reduction section, increase the luminance to 100. Add a vignetting of -5 and keep the highlights to 100. At the bottom section, increase the shadows tint to +100, increase the red primary hue to +3 and the red primary saturation to +4. That's all. Now export the photo and compare the result.